Welcome back to another video, guys. We are today flying my farm. I'm going to be doing a square mile block down here, and we're going to see how many deer are actually left after EHD just devastated this southeast Ohio area. The area I'm in, maybe not hit quite as hard as other areas, but it pretty serious. So we're going to take the drone up, cover a square mile area to get a real feel for actually how many deer are left on, a broad area. See what kind of buck to doe ratio we have left, see if we have any survivors. I know a lot of the better bucks that, I had been watching over the summer are dead, confirmed. Frankly, I haven't been running cameras down here because I, moved my resources to other places and I've completely let this place sit. There's a couple acres of standing grain, tons of food, a lot of brassicas. I mean, there's so much food on this property. So theoretically, the deer that are left, I'm hoping to suck in late season here, but we'll see how many are left. I think, prior to this, I didn't do a full-on survey to really know the actual number. I had to guess, I would say 100 to 120 deer on a square mile basis. And we will see what we find today flying this. It is November 9th or 10th, something like that. So should make it interesting. We'll see what we see. Hey, we got a deer. Looks to be a little doe. Yep. Well, we found one deer. It's a start, I guess. Oh man, I feel like I'm gonna be pretty depressed after this, not gonna lie. Just gonna try to methodically look through this. It's a perfect day, overcast. Jeez. I mean, I'm talking nothing in here. That's wild. Oh man, the amount of deer that are typically bedded in this section is... That's just crazy to me. To have one deer on that entire bedding point. There's a couple deer. 1, 2, 3 does. Hey, we got a buck. Another little buck. My goodness, just nothing. On the bright side, I guess I'll cover it quick. That blows my mind. Well, so far from what I'm seeing, this is not good, boys. Not good at all. This is wild. Just nothing there. I'm seeing a couple does here and there. Seeing 2 or 3 little bucks now, and I mean little. Man, this is gonna take a long time to come back from this. Another doe. Wow. This area historically has produced some great bucks, but it's gonna be a long time until this is really worth hunting again. You know, I mean, it's November 9th, so you would think if we can find a hot doe, you'll probably find all the bucks on her. But, you know, even those 2 little bucks that we found, you know, those deer, they were by themselves. They weren't locked down with anything. I'm really not sure what to make of this. I almost bought this property this summer, and man, I'm glad I didn't. We were going to wait till next year, but I don't know. There's a chance I decide that it's not something to buy after all. It's going to take a long time for this to rebound. Keep seeing this thing. It looks like a deer, but guess not. I'm blown away right now. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. You just have to wonder, is it really going to rebound? I mean, I'm sure it will to a degree, but you have to wonder if it's really ever going to be as good. I mean, I just got done flying, 150 acres with not a deer on it. Hey, there's a decent buck. Just found a pretty good buck. Not a deer I necessarily know. It's a great looking 9-point. It's good to see. There's his doe. There's a couple other deer here. It's crazy. It feels like December out here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Battery swapped. Let's keep flying. And I think that's it. Wow, that did not take long to fly 700 acres. That's wild, dude. 30 minutes of flight, of being on. Okay, let's count them up. Well, that's so much worse than what I thought. 28 does and 7 bucks. 35 deer on a square mile. Actually, a touch over. There's probably 75-80% of that is hardwoods, and so there there is some tillable roughly, but oh my gosh, that's so much worse than what I thought. That's insane. So I mean, I probably was right. I mean, you're looking at close to a 65-70% kill. That's absurd. I have a hard time wrapping my head around that. So there you have it. From an educated guess of 100 to 120 deer on a square mile to 35, just like that, overnight. And I flew some sections, outside of the core area that I wanted to check, just to kind of see if, across the state route is any different, and it's not. It's as bad over there, if not worse. There's nothing left. It's going to take a long time for this to rebuild, so there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Hopefully the herd can rebound and we can make good management decisions on, hunters, and, not necessarily just leaving it up to the state, but making our own individual decisions here in Ohio on our individual properties. If you want to contact me when you want to have a survey like this done on your property or your area, you can contact me at treestandforestry.com, fill out the contact me form, and I will reach back out to you and we can get it on the books. I will see you guys in the next one.